a computer that explores millions of possibilities at once. Welcome to the world of quantum computing.
For 70 years, computers got smaller and faster, but silicon chips are approaching their physical limits. Making them faster is now impossible.
Normal computers use bits, 0 or 1, like a light switch. It's either off or on. These switches build everything you use.
Quantum computers use qubits. A qubit can represent 0, 1, or, until it's measured, both at once. This behavior is called superposition.
Think of a spinning coin. While spinning, it's neither heads nor tails. Subscribe for part 2, entanglement. This is 3D Decode.
Now, things become even stranger. Let's look at entanglement.
Chapter 3, the strange connection. Imagine two special coins. Flip one in New York, the other in Tokyo. Somehow, the results are perfectly connected. This is entanglement.
Particles can become entangled, creating correlations that classical physics cannot explain. Quantum computers use these links to coordinate information across multiple qubits. It's digital teamwork at the atomic level.
To find a route through millions of cities, a normal computer evaluation takes years. A quantum computer evaluates all paths fundamentally differently.
They aren't faster at everything. For YouTube, your laptop is better. But for chemistry and optimization, they are specialized powerhouses.
They are specialized tools, not replacements for your PC. Next, we go deep inside the golden chandelier to see how they're built. Subscribe to 3D Decode. Chapter 5, Inside a Quantum Computer. They don't look like laptops. They look like giant golden chandeliers. These beautiful structures are actually extreme refrigeration systems.
The processor sits deep inside, at temperatures colder than outer space. Heat, vibration, and even tiny disturbances can destroy fragile quantum states. This challenge is called decoherence.
Chapter 7, the future. Imagine medicine designed in weeks instead of years. Batteries for thousands of kilometers. This is what researchers hope to unlock.
Just as classical computers transformed the 20th century, quantum computers may transform the 21st. The biggest breakthroughs are still ahead of us. It's the dawn of a new era.
The quantum revolution has begun. Subscribe to 3D Decode and let's explore if these machines can break the internet. See you in the next Decode.